Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. Today I come with this simple question but tricky one. Those who have already solved this question, go and comment your right answer. I will give them heart. So in this question 16 divided by 4 into parenthesis 2 plus 2, we will follow the PEMDAS rule. In that case, first we will solve for parenthesis part. We will solve for this part. So expression will be 16 divided by 4 into 2 plus 2, that is 4. Okay, now as we know, division and multiplication have the same priority, and in that case we solve from left to right. So first we will solve for this one, 16 divided by 4, which is 4. Now right hand it is 4 into 4. So final answer will be 16. This will be the right answer. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe us and check out our products in the description. Thanks for watching.